People see car meets and think it's just noise. Loud engines, fast, pretty cars, egos. But today wasn't about speed. It was about showing up for people who don't usually get seen. This is the side of the scene that never goes viral, but it's the side, to me personally, that matters the most. Giving back to kids and families who are less fortunate is a big part of what I feel like the community stands for. And it's probably one of my favorite parts of being in the community. So sit back, relax, and watch the video. But before we get to it, run the intro, man.
This a lit boy hit. This shit legendary.
Who else is here?
Ooh, look at that car.
Oh yeah, they're with us.
Imagine.
Don't be rude. Yo,
Yo,
are you on the way?
no, I won't be on the way till about 2.
God damn.
I gotta go take Haley's to a fucking whatever the fuck soccer game, and then I gotta go to Mo's meet that you've already known about because you already signed up for it.
It's not a meet. It's the charity event starts at 2.
Huh?
The charity event starts at 2.
Alright, so I'll make it on time basically.
Will you make it on time?
Not exactly at 2. I know that I'm gonna be in Birchboro until 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
As soon as I'm done with that, I'll be on my way.
Oh shit. Okay, man.
I mean, to be fair, I would have put him in my car, but still, that would have been awesome.
Oh shit, you got the crutches.
No.
Then go.
Yep.
All right, guys, what's good? We're about to be on the way to the meet. Everybody's riding out right now. Damn, man, I forgot my coffee in the car and it's baked.
Got footprints in these streets, out west and over east. We don't do the internet, we really clash it up.
So yeah, this is where we turn right here. Skirt, skirt. All right, y'all, so we waiting on the homies to get here. Yeah, it's definitely in a different place than I thought it was gonna be. I think this is gang pulling up right now. Here they are. Upon arrival, we were welcomed by the Fireplace Fellowship, a church organization dedicated to supporting foster children and families in our community. Their mission is to provide stability, dignity, and joy to kids who've already faced more than most.
Aren't you volunteers? Yeah. Okay, have you got your assignment? Okay, it's in the downstairs garage. You can go down from inside the house. You don't have to go back around. Yeah. Yeah, where is it? Yep.
To the foster kids, their photos can be.
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware. Thank you.
Break off the chair.
I'd just send the AMG and he'll fill the paperwork.
Exactly.
Shit, that's what I would do.
Outside, you can go straight to the store and see the building. Okay. What's the last name? Have you talked to her yet? What is your name?
Chris, ma'am. B-L-E-D-S-O-E. Yes, ma'am.
Chris, You know Faith? Do you see the lady with the Nike shirt on over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all are a team.
Okay.
What's up, my guy?
How you doing? Are we all a team?
No, I think you are.
Yeah. You and Chris.
I don't have mine yet.
Okay, where's Chris? Okay, you.
Where?
You are going to take. Who? What is that? What family are y'all?
This is two children.
Two? Y'all are going to take this family around. I know they've been training here for a minute. Are y'all going to take them inside first? Okay.
So once inside, we split into teams. Each volunteer was paired with foster kids, guiding them through the house, not just as helpers, but as support. Every child was given the chance to pick out clothes, shoes, toys, and everyday essentials. Not hand-me-downs or leftovers, things that they chose for themselves. For a moment, they weren't just foster kids. They were just kids, laughing, deciding, being heard. After they found everything they needed, the kids went to see Santa. Smiles got bigger, laughters got louder. The house was filled with something you can't manufacture, actual joy. There was cake, celebrations, and genuine happiness, the kind that reminds you why communities matter.
Dear Santa.
We need to go put it in the box.
Dear Santa. Read it.
Also, Jack's Wax Bucket and cheesy. Oh, that's a 2 E's. Buddy, what is this? Hey, if we're gonna start acting a jackass, we can do that, you know? In the shower sending pink.
Bro, what?
Hold on. Yeah. You get recorded right now. Hell yeah. We're making another Diddy film.
Bro.
I don't know. It would probably be a little bit longer.
No, thank you.
So how we do?
Absolutely wonderful. If they're still alive, they got all their stuff and they're in the cars, you did awesome. Everything changed because of this weather. And we got word that the animals can't be out in the cold because they'll freeze to death, evidently. Like their blankets and everything on. So we were like, okay, well, they're with the hayride and they're with the mini reindeer because we have mini pony deer. We put antlers on them. And that's the reindeer. They get to feed them and pet them. I hope they fed them while they were in the barns. So anyway, we lost that. And with that being gone, there's no sense in having games out there in the middle of the yard. So we're like, okay, no games. They're not going to want to be there. Oh yeah, we would just have a great time in here. And then the sensory mobile unit, they never showed up for the autistic children. For them to have something to do. They didn't show up. The guy that was supposed to do our bouncy houses, he has been MIA for a week and a half now. So I was like, okay, well, we're still having it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we back in the car. The event's over. I had a lot of fun. I showed. Oh man, I love the kids, bro. I love the kids. Yeah, this was definitely humbling. I will say that. Just talking to the families. Like, obviously, I didn't record the kids. They don't like that's a rule. The foster kids can't be on camera. But after talking with the kids, showing them around, getting them hooked up with coats and shoes and toys and shit. You know, man, those little girls, man. I was showing these little girls around, and they were just the sweetest little girls ever. And they were picking out, you know, toys, and they would pick the same blankets as each other, the same backpacks. Man, they had an older sister who was 38 weeks pregnant, and she was only 13, and just, yeah, this was really eye-opening. I'm glad I did this, and I'm glad. Thank you for the people who put this on, the church. Like, I'm not, but this was really actually amazing to watch all these people come together and give, some less fortunate people a good Christmas. That's it for the video, though. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all guys later. Gang gang.